Hi there. Today we're in the kitchen with a sample product that I received from Priority Chef. This is a potato ricer, and we're gonna go ahead and boil a potato and see exactly what this does. So here we are. We have some potatoes that have been boiled, and we have our unit. We're gonna go ahead and use this bigger blade. I want to just see what the consistency is with that bigger blade, so we're gonna drop it in the bottom here. Going to drop the basket in, and then we're going to go ahead and throw some potatoes in the basket. Okay, so what's cool is it's a soft grip stainless steel. Oh, okay, so those are some bigger chunks. If you like your potatoes big and chunky like that, that's pretty cool. Easy to squeeze now that I have a handle on it. Now let's pop this out and see what the other blade does. Okay, so now I put in the smaller hole, so that would make a smoother potato mash. Here, Matt, squeeze that for me. My hands are slippery. Ooh, that's even better. Kind of long and interesting. So there we have, that's the smaller holes there. Okay, might as well go all in now that I've got potatoes everywhere. Let's go ahead and see what this last one does with the more elongated holes, but they're more spread out. Okay. And that is the third consistency there. This is pretty cool. Now all you have to do is fold in your butter and your milk and whatever else, maybe some garlic, and you have great smooth mashed potatoes. Okay, here they are, tossed with milk and butter and some seasonings. They look pretty good. They're very consistent. Pretty useful tool all in all. Thank you to the brand, and thanks for watching.